What is up, everyone? In today's video, we're just gonna try to focus on melting down all this lead. Look at this. Cuánto plomo. Y aquí hay más. Look, here's a little bit more. This used to be kind of like halfway full, but I already ran through a good amount of it. But there's still some lead left in the bottom. Got the ladle heating up. It's almost at optimal temperature. And then we'll start pouring into the mold. All right, so first step is to grab a good amount of lead. Let's get this out the way. So we can start with that. All right, next step is to just pour it in here. All right, so it's only been like a minute or so. The stuff melted pretty quick. Here you can see all the impurities that float to the top, such as like the little wires, all the stuff that's inside of there. See? So we're just gonna scoop this out and start our little pile of impurities over here. So that's pretty good for what we're doing. Just gonna get rid of this over here. And we can actually start pouring some because our little ladle is almost full. We'll probably pour like 2, like that. There's 1, there's 2. Look at that clean lead. Almost looks like silver. Yeah, so now we just repeat that process. I got more lead right here. Just gonna go ahead and drop it in. Here's our last 3, which make up the 50. So in here, we don't have a lot of lead left. Most of it's like really small stuff and mixed in with rocks. This bucket, however, we still have a lot of stuff, and I found this little baggie with more good stuff inside. And here's a look at all the impurities, mainly a lot of wire and like metal rock stuff that didn't melt in the pot. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one.